Hello everyone, and welcome back to Next Level English. The place where learning English feels simple, useful, and enjoyable. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. It's great to be here today.
It really is. Alex, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing very well. Thank you. And you? You seem quite excited. I really am. I'm looking forward to today's topic.
Yes, it's an interesting one, and also very important.
Haha, absolutely. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to Next Level English. And make sure to like this episode and share it with your friends and family. Your support really helps us.
All right then. Alex, are you ready to start?
I'm ready. Let's begin.
Alex, let me ask you something honest and simple. Have you ever felt very motivated and then stopped quickly?
Oh yes, Emma, many times. I feel strong one day, and the next day I feel tired and lazy.
That feeling is so common. Many English learners start with big energy but lose it after a few days.
Exactly. Motivation feels exciting at first, but it often disappears when life becomes busy or stressful.
Today, we want to talk about why motivation fails and why consistency quietly helps people succeed.
This topic is very real because it happens at work, at home, and especially while learning English.
Let's start with a simple picture. Imagine Monday morning, fresh mind, strong coffee, and big English plans.
Yes, you tell yourself that today you will study English for 1 full hour without stopping.
You open books, watch videos, repeat words, and feel proud of yourself for starting something good.
But then Tuesday feels harder, Wednesday feels boring, and suddenly motivation starts to disappear slowly.
This does not mean you are weak. It means you are human, and humans get tired easily.
Motivation is like excitement. It comes fast, feels good, but does not stay long for most people.
Consistency is very different. It is quiet, slow, and sometimes boring, but it keeps moving forward.
Consistency means doing a small thing again and again, even when you do not feel excited.
Let's use a daily life example that everyone can understand easily without any stress.
Imagine you want to be healthy, but you only eat vegetables one day each month.
That one healthy day feels good, but it does not change your body or habits.
Now imagine eating a little healthy food every day without thinking too much about it.
That small daily action slowly changes your body, your energy, and your lifestyle over time.
English learning works the same way. One long study day feels good, but daily practice works better.
Many learners wait for motivation, but motivation should not be the boss of your learning.
Yes, motivation should be a visitor, not the leader of your daily English routine.
I like that idea. Consistency is the leader, and motivation is just a guest sometimes.
Let me share a personal story so listeners can feel less alone and more comfortable.
Please do. Stories help learners understand ideas more clearly and naturally.
When I started learning English, I waited to feel confident before speaking with people.
And how did that waiting make you feel after some time passed?
Honestly, Emma, it made me feel frustrated because confidence never came by waiting.
That is such an important point. Confidence grows after action, not before action.
Exactly. I started speaking small sentences every day, even when I felt nervous.
Little by little, speaking felt easier, and my fear slowly became smaller.
That change happened because I was consistent, not because I suddenly felt motivated.
Many learners say, I am scared to speak English because I make mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them, even native speakers, every single day.
Making mistakes means you are trying, and trying is the only way to improve.
Let's gently correct a common sentence learners often say, without feeling embarrassed.
Many people say, I speak English very bad, but we can say it more naturally.
Yes, the correct sentence is, I speak English very badly, or I don't speak English well.
Small corrections like this become easy when you hear and use English every day.
This is another reason consistency is powerful. Your brain learns without stress or pressure.
Let's talk about busy life because many listeners feel they have no time.
Work, family, school, and stress can make English learning feel impossible sometimes.
But consistency does not need 1 hour. It can start with 5 simple minutes.
5 minutes while drinking tea, waiting for a bus, or before going to sleep.
Listening to one short podcast, one song, or one short video is enough.
Doing something small every day builds a habit, and habits are very powerful.
A habit is something you do without thinking too much, like brushing your teeth.
You do not wait for motivation to brush your teeth. You just do it.
Learning English can become the same kind of daily habit with consistency.
Motivation says, do a lot today, but consistency says, do a little every day.
And we know which one actually helps people improve in real-life situations.
Consistency always wins because it survives busy days, bad moods, and tired feelings.
Let's add a little humor here because learning should feel light and friendly.
Motivation is like joining the gym in January with big hopes and big promises.
Yes, the gym is full in January and very quiet again in February.
Consistency is the person who comes quietly every week without talking too much.
That quiet person becomes strong over time, even without showing off.
Now let's give listeners a few simple tips they can start using today.
First tip is very important. Start smaller than you think you should.
Even 2 or 3 minutes of English every day is better than nothing.
Second tip is choosing a regular time so your brain remembers automatically.
Morning, evening, or lunch break are all good choices if you stay consistent.
Third tip is being kind to yourself when you miss one day.
Missing one day is normal. Quitting forever is the real problem.
Just continue the next day without feeling guilty or angry with yourself.
Learning English is a long journey, not a race with other people.
Walk slowly, enjoy the process, and trust small steps every day.
Before we finish, I want to speak directly to our listeners.
Yes, if you feel scared, tired, or unsure, please know you are not alone.
Speak one small sentence today, even if your voice feels shy.
That small action matters more than waiting for perfect confidence.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this episode and subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us continue making simple, friendly English content for you.
Now our comment question for today is very simple and important.
What small English habit will you practice every day from now on?
Tell us in the comments. We read them and feel happy to see your progress.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep going, stay consistent, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, and happy English learning.